there was many a night where I used to go and disappear. I'd go walking. I could walk for miles, and there's many a time that police have found me because I'd just go and disappear, and I couldn't understand why until the social prescribing people as yourself gave me some advice and some help and put everything into perspective. Before the link workers like yourself came in, everything seemed to get too busy and too frustrated to the point where at the end of the day it's just like a switch that you can flick off. And the switches got flicked off and I would disappear and I wouldn't even know where I was. I love to bake because it relaxes me so much, but nobody wants to eat it. So apart from my husband, and he can only eat so much, I like painting as well. I'm trying to keep my fingers busy, so yeah, I've got a couple of ideas for canvas pictures, especially for Food Bank. They want a picture to put up on the wall. Amazing. It's given me a hell of a lot more confidence because as driving, for example, I can actually get out there, and as long as you've got four wheels, I'm out in car and I don't mind, because before I used to think, well, where am I going? What am I doing? And I ought to have somewhere focused where I've got to go, where I've got to be. I plug my phone in, that's it, I'm gone. And I wouldn't have even dreamt of that 6 months ago. Definitely, 110%. Because there's a lot of people out there that don't understand, that can't see the way forward, because with a different avenue, that they've got a different look on things. I would say take it with open arms. If you can, and you can, welcome it with anything. Any ideas that they can give you, take it with open arms. A lot more confidence in meeting people as well, because there's a lot more people out there that if you give them a smile and you walk up and say morning or afternoon or whatever, they're more likely to turn around and say, oh, good afternoon, how you doing? If you can make that first step, they're more likely to give you a smile back, and a smile works wonders.